Hello everyone, today I will talk about life cycle assessment of scented candles. What is candle? Candle is a cylinder or block of wax or tallow with a central wick which is lit to produce light as it burns. What is scented? Scented is having a pleasant scent. The history of scented candles goes back to 3000 BC, where the candles were made from combination of animal fat and reeds, and it is mainly used as source of light or in prayers. When the invention of light bulb came, candles are viewed as decorative item and the first scented candles were marketed to the public. There are two different types of scented candles. First is fragrant chemicals and second is essential oils or plant extracts. The benefits of scented candles are it helps fall asleep, it gives soothing effect, and it even helps personalize your space. The life cycle of scented candles were divided into 5 stages. First is raw material extraction, second is manufacturing process, third is distribution and transportation, fourth is product use, and fifth is the end of life. Raw material extraction. The scented candles were made from paraffin wax, braided cotton, glass, essential oils, or synthetic aroma candle. Next is the manufacturing process. The paraffin wax is heated until melted using wax melter, and the fragrance oil is added and thoroughly mixed in with the melted wax, and the combined wax is then poured into glass jar for 24 hours of cooling. Next is the distribution and transportation. The candles must remain cool at most times because the candles can easily melt. It is preferable to use air-conditioned moving truck. If it is close by, ground transport is used. If it is far away, air transport is used. Next is the product use. The scented candles can be used anytime just by lighting up the wick and let it burn. The candles can be burned multiple times until the wax is finished. Lastly will be the end of life. The residues of the scented candles is incinerated and the candle glass holder is recycled. Environmental impact of scented candles. Scented candles gives indoor air pollution. By burning of scented candles, a large amount of toxic and cancer-causing chemicals is released. The main pollutants are BTEX, aldehydes, and PAH. Some of the candle used, the cotton wick is wrapped around another material like metal to produce a toxicity that can lead to lung problems. Conclusion. Recommendation to decrease the environmental impact of the scented candles are replacing paraffin wax with a more natural wax like beeswax or soy wax. These waxes produce less soot than paraffin wax, even estimated up to only tenth of paraffin wax soot. Next is use shorter wick candle with a missing cord. This is to avoid producing large amount of soot and pollution. And lastly is by limiting burning time. This is to reduce the amount of chemicals sent into the air by the candles. Thank you for watching.